30 and copying right now.
I'm gonna try to get this out without mushing everything like I did the other one.
Okay.
It made it look so easy on YouTube. I keep breaking it.
Nice steady pull. Okay.
Oh.
Oops, I gotta get back.
Oh, I got that one. Where's the tentacles I'm supposed to keep? Okay, we'll put that over there.
The front part, okay, yeah.
Now we'll get...
Leave the eye with the insides and the...
Now we'll put that inky stuff over there. Now we rinse it out nicely.
There you go.
And then we have to get out the back. Oh, he said squeeze out all the ick. Then you have to get out the backbone. He said it worked better for him when he did, like, put his fingers
Yeah, I
under
think
it.
you have to do it several times before you get it right. Yeah. What a good job.
And then you peel off these things with the skin.
And there you have a nice calamari too.
No, you're supposed to get the rest of this skin off. Oh, it still has some dark stuff inside. Let me see. I suppose I should get that out. Oh, and there's some more skin.
Well, next time we get down there, we'll buy some squid.
But not a whole 5-gallon bucket.
No.
Aha! Let's try this one.
Oh, okay. Now you're getting better.
I'll give you an expert squid cleaner outer. What I did before is I like loosened it up a little bit, so I think that helped. But I threw away the first one's tentacles.
Oh, you did?
Oh, look, I did good.
There you go.
You see that? I still got ink on my hand.
That's all right. You're supposed to.
And then you